Day-to-day life, Ganesh Garu, day-to-day life meditative state. How to stay calm and how to stay in the blissful state. Yeah, that's the challenge. Simple technique is maintaining a diary. Many things are there. One person asked, when you're such a great person, Buddha, why everyone is not enlightened? Just the moment they look at you, the moment they come in your presence, why everybody is not getting enlightened? Then he says, how many are this? Go to the every house and take out what are the desires, first 5 desires. So once you get the first 5 desires of everyone, 100 hearts are there, 100 hearts and houses are there. He went and collected. Every family is having 2 members or 4 members average. So 400 people. Top 5 desires he collected. Then he asked, how many of them are having the enlightenment in their first top 5 desires? No one. then how it can be happening? So are you having the top desire, your top desire, in the top 5 desires, are you having the enlightenment, keeping ourselves always in the enlightened state, meditative state, blissful state? Is that how many of you are having that's the highest and the topmost desire in your desire list? That what is the, so keeping that as a tapna, that means a lot of burning, a lot of interest, keeping that always. One person comes and asks, some punishment was there in the Janaka time, and then Janaka says, basically the punishment is killing that person, but one chance I am giving. Okay, you take one ball. In that ball, 1 liter of oil will be there. Take that ball, and that ball, you take it and walk in the streets of the. Then there is one festival is happening. Festival or some market is there. Market. That market, all the market round, 1 round. Okay, 3 to 4 kilometers. 1 round, walk 1 round, and 1 drop also oil spilling. Then the army, some other couple of people, the soldiers will be there. They'll be having sword in their hands. King Janaka says that if 1 oil drop also leaked, then cut his head. Then he walks with that oil, completely oil ball, without spilling for all 3 kilometers in the market space. Many people are walking and a lot of sounds and disturbances. Many things are there. Then once he comes, he got successful. Then King Janaka asks, how did you do it? Many people are going there. Many traffic is there. Many emotions are. Many people are shouting, and nobody is disturbed you. Then he says, how can anybody? I haven't heard any. My all focus is here only. That's what Janaka said. This kind of a tapana, interest is there. Then definitely one will be one will maintain the enlightened state, always blissful state. I will not, even 1 drop of oil also not spilling. So I will not leave 1 second also. Unenlightened moment, no. Always I'll be blissful. I'll be observing always with my own conscious energy, or I always be with the energy. So that kind of a situation. Sometimes that person is lucky that Janaka taught him. So how many of you are feeling that? After listening to this story, now onwards, my life is completely transformed. That's one situation. It takes just masters actually will take one story, one moment will, that's all, shatter the many lifetimes of ignorance. That's all. From this moment onwards, how many of you are feeling that from this moment onwards, every second I am maintaining the enlightenment, the happiness state. Even though many things are there, but I will not spill down the oil. How many? Yes. No? So type that me. Okay. I am feeling that I'm connected to this story. Connected, and implement. I'm implementing from this time onwards. You can type it I. Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful, friends. I'm very happy that implementation. Some people are typing I'm implementing right now. I'm taking this in my life, in my every cell. That's all. From now onwards, my life is changed. That's all. I'm always blissful because my own being is blissful. I see the God everywhere. Not even 1 second. I'm not missing it. Just affirm that. That kind of a determination one should have. That kind of affirmation one should have. No matter what, I am always connected. And also, okay, maintain the diary for the people who can, for the 30 days or 3 months, sometimes until you get the habituated. Maintaining a diary and noting down how many minutes and how many hours I'm in the touch of the meditation, touch of the energy. I'm in touch with the breath or energy in my own being. And how much time I'm seeing the God in everyone. Like that, you can try that.